Well, after 6 days of strong winds, 3 at Port Aransas and then 3 strong days of wind here at Magnolia Beach, we finally have a calmer day to wake up to. Hi, I'm Wade.
And I'm Lorraine.
And we are
on the off-ramp.
We are currently in Palacios, Texas, working at the Texas Baptist Encampment.
And this, well, I think I've got the dates right, Wade, but started in 1906. Land that was given to them by the community, I believe. And it's a gorgeous, beautiful setting. As you can see behind us, this camp is right on a point. And this video, what will I show them?
We're going to share some information about the camp itself, what the camp is like, what it does, some of the work that we're doing at the camp, and some of the weekend things that we do when we're not working as well too.
Yeah, and the friends we've made.
Yeah, so stay tuned to our video. We'll take that part out.
And now it's time to leave.
And now we're going to leave Magnolia Beach and we are going to head to our next work site at the camp. And Monday, today's Friday, so Monday we'll start with our next work job. It's our day off. We're going to go exploring. And there's a parade in town today, the bird parade.
And somebody's excited.
And somebody, we don't know who though. Yeah, we don't know who's excited, but somebody's excited. Matagorda Bay Bird Festival. We're in Palacios, Texas, and there's a few, it's an older town, a few rundown old abandoned buildings, but I don't think I've ever seen anything like this before. Inside the building, ferns. The camp is awakening for our first day of work. We're in Palacios, Texas, and we are getting ready to work for our first day at this camp. We're on Matagorda Bay, which is connected to the Gulf of America, Gulf of Mexico. And we are a whole group of RVers ready to go to work.
These guys are working on some tree removal in the area. I guess they got wires to work around. And these guys over here are expected to move what? That platform and those stairs?
Yes.
How long will it take you?
I don't know.
I guess some garbage bins are going to be coming to this place, so they need to move these stairs so the garbage bins can be set up here. So this is our view at the Texas Baptist Encampment. Today is an incredibly calm day, no wind. And one of our jobs today has been, for the women anyway, has been to verathane some picnic tables. And then while we're waiting for that to dry, we go into each of these buildings you see here. Some are like a hotel or motel. Some are like cabins with lots and lots of bunk beds. And we go through these buildings room by room, indicating any repairs or paint or things that might need to be done to the room. So we've been putting in a lot of steps, just walking through the buildings, documenting what needs to be done. And I imagine some of that will become part of our work for the rest of our time here. Okay, so this dock got damaged in a hurricane, and Wade and Jeff are in the water working at trying to figure out how to straighten it out and get it level.
It's just not moving. Well, don't go quite as far.
One guy is giving directions and the other two are trying to figure out how to level it.
Yeah, that's okay, got another couple. Perfect, there we go. Got it. Perfect, bingo. Well done, gentlemen. 6 more inches. Yeah. Okay. 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 Pull it all the way out this way.
With no one falling off. Like no one's gonna fall. Yeah.
There we go. Okay. Now, can you guys grab it there and let it. Yep. Okay. Now, did you want those planks to Hey, we're not used to an audience like this. We're gonna perform under pressure.
Okay, but look at this. This is impressive.
Oh.
Straight in.
He's got his
Okay, we got. I need suspenders.
Yeah. Take it apart.
Oh, look at this. Oh, this makes me nervous. Shoot. Oh, Wade. You're going to have no shoulder.
Well, he's got help on his side. Wade's got help.
Oh, man. No one's losing a finger. Yeah. Oh, wait. Wade's hand.
We're not on support on anything right now. We're just right on top of the floor joint.
Yeah. But I'm talking about the bottom beam there.
Okay, just hang on top of the post.
Okay, somebody put some rocks there.
Underneath the joint.
Who's still playing with the rocks?
This is got to cheer.
Down. Down.
Oh, my. And no one lost a finger. So today I'm working in this big, large auditorium, and I get to use some of my art skills. Behind those chairs are painted surfboards. Going all the way around on this side, you can see where I'm going to be working. Each surfboard has been painted by some volunteer, can leave a message. Some of it's scriptural, some of it's not, but the idea is that it's kind of supposed to be in biblical order. Mine is based on Luke 15. Jesus tells a parable about how the shepherd leaves the 99 and goes for the one sheep. It's a story that's really a heart story for me. And you can see I've primed this board. It had stars on it before. The light's kind of poor in here, so I got a lamp set up. I'm gonna paint my board. Mine will be from Luke 15. So that's what I'm gonna be working on.
The month of February, when we were working at the Tejas Retreats and Camp, we found a lot of our work was centered around carpentry, on trim work, and finishing off the cottages. Here we are taking a plywood that is moldy, and we're going to be fixing the where the water has come in. And then we're working on a house for one of the staff members that the floors had rotted away, and we're replacing the flooring. We'll be repairing the floor joists, and then installing new plywood and subflooring. And then when that is prepared, then we're going to add in the tile, and the person living in this home will have a new laundry room that will hold our hot water tank, washing machine, and dryer. GAMP was gifted a wonderful generator, so we are building a shelter for that generator to be used during tropical storms and hurricanes. And us as a Canadian group have decided to call this the Ice Fishing Shack. I think you'll see why.
If you know, you know. The Jets just scored. Who knew that these friends from Saskatchewan are Jets fans as well? But take a look at this setup. They're not watching the computer screen. This is what they're watching. Camp staff came and set us up. This is so awesome. Yeah, so it's playing against Dallas, Texas, and we are in Texas. How fun is that?
Oh no.
Oh no! Oh no!
Yeah!
Well, this is sure a treat as we get a chance to go on a boat. So glad that Michael here has been willing to take us on a bit of a cruise around the harbor area here around Palacios, and we get to see the town from the shoreline.
I was talking to Dolores, whose husband used to be a shrimper, and so like when the season wasn't on here, they would sometimes go out clear over like to Mississippi and Florida, and be going.
Michael was just saying they go down to Louisiana.
A couple months.
New Orleans.
Yeah.
But then also to get into the harbor and see many of the boats. Some of them are like shrimping boats, but not sure what they all do, but it's just fun to ride around here.
Yeah, and actually the shrimping boats, the interesting thing is that this is considered the shrimping capital of the United States from what we've heard. So it's off season right now. A few of the boats are out, but come late April, I believe it is, they're heading out to lots of shrimp fishing again.
I caught it.
Got it?
I got it on video. Come again.
Oh, well, that's
There. He's just playing with us.
he is.
He is just playing around.
I have the day off today, so I thought it was time to go for a bicycle ride. Palacios, the way the Spanish would say it, or Palacios as the locals say it, has a beautiful harbor front here, and it was nice just taking a ride down and checking out the waterfront, and even headed off into the shrimping boat area again. And it's beautiful. It's just great being by the water. If you ever want to come and work at the Texas Baptist Encampment, it's a great place for bike riding and for discovery and just doing things in the area. It's 7:30 in the morning and I get to wake up to hearing these birds singing around us. Getting ready for another day of work. We meet just before 8 to get together as a group and then go out from there. And it's so peaceful this early in the morning. It's beautiful.
Looks like these holes, this is evidence of aeration, and look who's doing the work. It's way over there. He is getting his steps in this day. It's Thursday, it's our day off. Wade's already...
Friday.
Oh yeah, it's Friday, it's our day off. Wade's already finished his breakfast. I'm about to eat mine. This is a beautiful sunny morning.
Yeah, can't see that.
And this is where we're sitting in front of the van having breakfast, but there's some of the gang. Another van. This is Terry and Caroline's. That's Jeff and Joanne's spot. Back there is another, is Jim and Susan. And way over there is Jeff and Tracy. That's kind of our little gang here as we're serving together. Everybody's kind of waking up and having their breakfast. I'm coming to check what you're having for breakfast. Oh, I should come to your house for breakfast. That looks great. Yeah. And I hear Jeff caught a fish. I'm going to say quotation marks caught, but he cleaned a fish.
Sympathy
I was
fish.
handed a fish.
It was a sympathy fish. But you will catch more, and we will have Fish Friday or something. Whoa!
Ready?
I'm ready. Well, here in Palacios, we have found a great store. Actually, Caroline has found quite a few things. Have you as well, Joanne? One thing, so Saks Thrift Avenue. So here I am going to discover what might be there for Lorraine. What a great way to use an old elementary school. Had the bike rack for our bikes. And here we go to see what treasures we will find. Okay, so what do you know about this place?
Funds from the thrift store go to help out the locals with counseling and lawyer fees and whatever they need at this office here.
That's fantastic. So watermelon was a hit yesterday at our potluck supper, and there's some left over, so Wade's going to cut some up and share with the neighbors for our afternoon snack on, what is today, Friday?
Friday,
Friday.
March the 21st.
So it's a day off for all of us, and because we work 4 days a week, and Wade's been working on that plumbing project, whatever,
And videos.
and videos. So he's been working on stuff today, and I went to the thrift store. Did not find anything, but it was fun to drive my bike and go and check it out with my friends. Can you hear the noise? Our group gathers around sometimes just in the afternoon after dogs have been walked, laundry's been done, and we've just been sitting around and have been to the thrift store, but this is the gang sitting there. Such good people.
We truly have been enjoying our time here at the Texas Baptist Encampment in Palacios, Texas.
And if you haven't been following our videos and this is your first time, it might be interesting for you to know that we have joined sowers.org, which is a volunteer organization, and that's how we ended up getting placed here at this camp. It's been a great way to meet people, to serve, and to just enhance the ministry of this camp.
We get to take our RVs, they give us a place to park it, and then we just work for the camp 4 days a week. And we are tired when we are done.
It's been good to do it.
Yes, it has. If you've enjoyed this video, please take the time to give us a thumbs up and take the time to subscribe. It means a lot to promoting our channel.
And we love it when you leave a comment. Absolutely. We'd like to know if you have any questions about the camp or even about how we got into the serving. Feel free to leave us a message or a comment about our video.
We still have another week of work left here at the camp, and that will show up in the next video. And then we have some plans for travel after that, but we know that we need to
Hold our plans loosely.